we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How have you been? It's been a long time since I showed up on the channel in front of the camera. And there is a specific reason that I just felt I didn't look picture perfect to come in front of the camera. You know, when I lose this much amount of weight, then is the right time that I should show up in front of camera. I was just cleaning and, like always, was listening to a podcast. And on that podcast, Mr. Gaur Gopal Das was talking about happiness. And according to his philosophy, happiness is not a destination, it's a journey. And if we make it into a destination, it becomes so short-lived that we will not even realize when it came. I was so touched by this. And if you think about it, overall life is a process. It's genuinely a journey. I remember my mom telling me that you pass class 10th and all your worries will be gone. Then came class 12th, her statement changed. When I got married, she had the same thing. When Ishi was born, and as a new mom, I was like, how will I handle, how will I manage? And she had the same thing. It's just a matter of year, and once she grows up, everything will be settled. And now when I look back, it has been one of the most joyous journey. And not every day has been a goody-goody. Nor it is for anyone whom we see on Instagram or any social media. So embracing the present and enjoying it and finding joy in every day was a very big lesson learned. You also talked about mindfulness and practicing gratitude. Well, mindfulness itself is a vast topic, but just to simplify, using his word, is to be present in the present and notice the unnoticed. taking small steps to make everyday life simple, beautiful, and happy with little mundane things. There is a different kind of pleasure in it. He also insists in doing things what we find that makes us really happy, that makes us really joyful. It could be anything. It could be reading a book, going for walks, travel, cooking, baking, painting, sewing. There are hundreds of things that could have made you much more happier than scrolling that phone. And when we do all these things, which we often kind of neglect it, the moment we start doing these things, we realize how happy we can be in these little things. And just because someone is practicing some kind of activity necessarily doesn't mean that will work for you. We have to find our own happiness spot, own happiness choices. Like for me, personally, I really enjoy painting. I'm not a good painter for sure, but I just enjoy the entire process. I can spend hours painting, listening to good music, and painting. Same is for sewing as well. That is nowhere connected to me making money from these things, but it just simply gives me so much happiness that I would, without even thinking, will choose that as a happy activity for me. Just like many people enjoy traveling, I can travel once or twice a year like many other people. But if you ask me to travel every single week, I'll simply freak out. I'll just feel that there is so much that I'm leaving behind and it does not bring me a sense of happiness. So in short, happiness is not one fit box for everyone. Each one has their own choices. Each one has their own interest. And each one can decide their own destination and the path to reach this destination. What is something that excites you? What is something that makes you so happy that you can do it even without you getting any monetary benefit out of it? What is your happiness spot? Leave me that comment in description box. How did you discover it? How often you get time to do it? I would love to know that. Like many spiritual leaders and motivation speakers will suggest that happiness is not connected to a thing, person, or any particular place for that matter. Happiness is within us, and slowly and eventually, the more we discover this, the more content we are in our own life. As promised, I am preparing a beautiful video on goal setting based on all the books and videos that I have watched of great leaders and speakers throughout the world. I'm super excited for this video, and I'm sure this will really help you to formalize your own goals. My next vlog will be all about goal setting, so consider subscribing to the channel and do hit that like button. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Do give this cake a try. It came out super moist and delicious.
High on the mountain, blinded by the rain, so tired of climbing, heavy with the blame. I heard a voice.
If you watched till here, then leave me a cake in the comments, and I would know that you have watched till the end. So until next time, I'll see you again in my next vlog. Take care. Bye-bye.